guys, 24/7 Tech here, and today I have the $100 AKG Earbuds, which came with my Galaxy Note 8. Today we're going to be reviewing them. How do they sound? And for $100, if you wanted to buy them by yourself, would they be a good pick? Now, first of all, these are not wireless. These have a headphone port. Seemingly this has been dying a lot, but luckily my Galaxy Note 8 still has it, so Samsung doesn't have to go out of their way to give some USB Type-C headphones. I don't get it. If you're making such a big phone, there's no reason why not to put a headphone jack in it, so yeah. So anyways, don't mind the noise, that's just snowblowers outside. Sorry, it's been snowing a lot in the Northeast yesterday night. Totally obliterated our roads, so don't mind that noise. So anyways, let's talk about the build quality and the design. This is a very nice designed earbud. You see, this is not your average plastic thread. This is a microfiber type cloth, I'm thinking. And it feels really good, and it doesn't tangle whatsoever. Like, I've used these extensively for my review, and it doesn't fall out. But then it comes all the way up to here. And then it switches to plastic over here. And I think that's because of the reliability. So like you can flex the headphones. Over here it's not that flexible. So over here, I guess it makes sense they put plastic here instead of metal, instead of microfiber. I'm fine with that because it's easier to flex around. And since it's such a small thread, it's probably like about a foot long. It's not gonna really get tangled that much, but it would be nice if they extended this microfiber cloth. Sorry. It would be nice if they extended this microfiber cloth up to here too. So, yeah, just a design cue right there. But anyways, we should be happy that they're even giving us microfiber cloth. It's pretty rare that they do this in a normal headset, except for the LG V30 one. LG V series in general. How do they feel when you put them in your ear? Surprisingly irritating, but also pleasing. So if you put them in your ear, it blocks out a lot of the sound. Like I told you about the snowblower outside, I can't hear that anymore. It's like the thing is right in your ear. This little cap right here, it's literally going right in your ear. The way they designed it is actually really cool. But I use this for like an hour and a half or something like that. It gets tiring, and this gets really like congested, and your ears feel like, oh god, I need to relieve that. And then I use my AirPods, and even after 2 hours, I was fine because it doesn't feel like it's in there. But I guess if you're looking for some noise cancellation, this is a really good bet in earbuds. I've never seen this good of noise cancellation for $100, especially. If you're looking for the best fit, these aren't the best ones because they get congested a little bit while you're in there. But we're here for the sound. How do these sound? These actually sound amazing. Even better than my Apple AirPods, surprisingly. At $100, I mean, AirPods aren't dedicated for sound, I guess, but these aren't either. But I think these sound a little better because they're spitting right into my ear. These, on the other hand, are just direct, so it takes some time for them to transfer into my ear. Well, this is literally in my eardrum, so it's just direct, so it feels louder, but I think it doesn't have as much bass or clarity if you turn it up loud. But still, these are really good sounding earbuds with your phone. Like, I wouldn't find a need to buy any other ones unless you're like a hardcore listener. But let's take a listen test. Okay, I got them mixed up again. And when you put them in your ear, they actually look pretty sleek. Just a little AKG logo showing out, nothing else. Looks really sweet. Feels pretty good. Because it has a headphone jack, you have to connect it with the headphone jack. No Bluetooth, nothing like that. It's fine with me because I have a Note 8, has a headphone jack, and my computer does too. So just plop it in there. Headphone jacks aren't a dying breed in computers, so happy for that. This is at half volume. It's actually pretty loud. Let me get to the actually good part, like the loud. See how it does. I can't show this to you. I can't show this to you guys because it's probably copyright. You know, yeah. Sorry. Getting there to the loud part. So, feels pretty clear. It's pretty clear. I like the treble. The mids are really nice. Bass is pretty good. Oh, okay, yeah. That bass was really good. This is a really good sounding earbuds. Way better than the AirPods. Okay, so as I'm talking with you guys, I can't even hear myself. I'm like, oh my god, am I talking loud enough? I think I am. I don't know. You guys tell me in the comments down below. But if you add the noise and the noise cancellation to these, they're a really good sounding speaker. And because they're canceling the noise from the outside, right now there's a big snowblower going on, and it's canceling that sound, and it feels awesome. I'm telling you, this sound quality is good. I like the design. It does get a little congested after a time, so just take it out of your ears, wait another 2 minutes, 3 minutes, just soothe them out, put them back in, they're good. For $100, these are actually worth it. And if you're looking for a new phone, like an S8 or a Note 8, let's say you're buying an S9 when it comes out, or an S8 or a Note 8, you'll get these earbuds in the box. And I'm happy to say that I don't feel the need of buying anything else, except if you're looking for like the wireless stuff. But they're coming for free with my phone, so of course. But like, I've never seen this good quality in my life. Holy crap. If you go 3/4 of the volume, it's actually loud. Like, it's so loud that, oh my god. Okay, yeah, I just tested them to see if it goes loud and the bass and everything goes pretty good. It's really good. And even if you go really loud, these don't, you can't really hear them on the outside. I mean, I can hear them now, but like, it's not that, like, with these type of earbuds, you can hear what you're listening to in the outside, so it's a problem. But these do a good job, like, really good. And when you're wearing them too, I like it how it's just this which is showing, this little circle badge. It's a really nice design thought. It's just, that's the only thing. You're like, oh, I got some premium AKG headphones right here. I mean, earbuds. So, yeah. In conclusion, this is a sweet, sweet buy. Even if you don't have an S8 or a Note 8, but make sure your phone has a headphone jack. Just saying. But if you're getting this with the S8 or a Note 8, my recommendation to you is that you don't need another headset. This is good enough. Come on. It's really good. And there's like the volume controls and everything, and the mics here too. So, has everything. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, like down below. Subscribe right up there for more amazing content. We're reaching 7,000 views, but 10,000? Let's get it. I want to reach 10,000 views by the end of March. That's my goal. Keep it in mind. Peace out, and watch tomorrow's tech video.